Last max down, 8-year-old girls, 2 8-year-olds, a 5-year-old, the number 4 bike. Woo, making it happen. Coming at you out of turn 1, single digit. 22 bikes, got to be Elizabeth leading it. Here comes the 19 bike of Jasmine, the 24, and the little 4 bike is a 5-year-old girl in the 4 spot trying to make a move, and she does. First to 2 almost, here she comes. 22 is your leader. Here comes the 4 bike Strong, making a move in 2. 22 is the race leader. Fowler is leading it right now. The 19 bike of Kilgore in the 2 spot. Here comes the 4 bike. Bostic not giving up from Bonnie Lake, Washington. Getting it done. Gate pops down. Here we go. Out fast is Eric Alton. Alton from Bonnie Lake, Washington, getting after it. Taps in the house, followed by a 3 bike of Clark, putting a little whip at her. Bowder, old school rider, riding for Go Hook Yourself, CHY Bike Shop, Renton, Washington, in the 3rd spot. Oh, making a move, Bostic, and the 329 bike of Knapp. Bostic trying to dive in, showing the big guys how to ride. Eric is the race leader, the number 3, the intimidator of Clark. GHY Bike Shop himself, Bowder, in the 3. White, Taylor, Mason Keys coming at you all. All 6-year-old novices. Off the gate, Boshi is your leader. Dwight, Port Orchard, Washington, riding the 210 bike. Boshi making it happen right now. Here comes the 142 bike on it hard. Taylor Howell. Taylor Howell went down last round, getting it up, coming on the inside. Can he make it stick inside, outside? No, the 210, Boshi is the race leader. 241 of Mason Keys on a Diamondback Mini. Cool bike. I remember those ones. Excellent looking bike. Here come back this way. Boshi is the leader, followed by the nag plate rider, Taylor Howell, trying to close. At the finish line. That's a great race, you guys. Awesome race. Put your hands together for that. Live. 8X ready. Johnson, Zoll, Sebastian, and Zane getting after it right now. Little plate, number 5 bike is Tyler Johnson. Johnston, the race leader out of Seattle, Washington, doing it for DAE Racing. Coming at you on the 108 bike is going to be
Sebastian. Go! He's catching up. Go! What are you slowing down for? Come on, hurry! Go! Cut the inside.
The 5 bike is Taylor Johnston. The 108 bike of Sebastian. Here comes Jacob Zoll in the Bond Brothers color, riding an old Shootman bike. Fast straightaway, getting it done. Rollers to the double. The 5 bike Johnson is your race leader. 108, Sebastian Dingler, and also Jacob Zoll trying to close hard.
Riders ready. Watch out.
10X Moto 6, Azilla, Bryce Bostwick, and Trevor Hamden. Hammer time in the 3 spot. Back at you, Bostwick getting it done on the 6 bike. Doing it out of Bonnie Lake, Seattle, Washington, representing for the Vortex cycle. Azilla Toy, housekeeper there in the 2 spot. 35 bike of Hammer. 10 experts. Your race leader right now is a 9X of Bryce Bostwick. The 10X of Azilla. Meewise Loren is 2, and Trevor Hamden. Edwards and Highland out the cup right now. Esme is the race leader from Kent, Washington. Pride of Meeker Junior High soon. Stevenson rocking in the 2 spot. Keep your eye on him. Doing it for Bike Master. Highland, Proctor, and Parker Edwards. Outside, inside, setting up. Here it comes. Not enough. Esme, district number 1, followed by the 9 nag plate of Stevenson, Highland, and Proctor doing it for Center Cycle. Last straightaway action. Future Meeker Pioneer is going to be Colnesme, Stevenson, Highland, and...
On the gate. Riders ready. Watch out.
13X is the class, moto number 8. Here we go. Highland gets off the gate quick on the outside. Burke on the inside this time. Here we come, Highland. Coffin, I believe it is. Bo Coffin on the 15 bike. The hitman, Burke, number 9. I got it messed up, don't I? That's Patera. Highland, Patera. Here comes Coffin. Coffin passing Burke down the rhythm section. Last straightaway, getting it done. Highland. Sean Highland doing up a vortex cycle. Patera. Coffin.
Riders ready? Watch your lights.
Gate comes down. Here we go. Shootman. Stropko getting a nice little gate coming down. Cody Stropko doing it out of Puyallup, Washington. Number 10 on his plate. Here comes the 2 bike of Shootman. And Dylan Knapp, 14-year-old novice racing against the experts. Rhythm time, Cody Stropko making it happen. And Shootman on the deuce. Rhythm section, manual and through. Last straightaway.
Riders ready? Watch your lights.
Stropko, Esme, and Wilson. Out the cup right there, 16-year-old expert national rider. Check him out at all the nationals. Dylan Wilson, double X. Followed by Esme. And Stropko. .32 and number 8, Stropko getting through the rhythm section pumping. Dylan Wilson is the race leader. Mr. Dylan Wilson, super fast. Dylan Wilson, Esme, Tyler, and Stropko.
Riders ready? Watch your lights.
11 out the gate. Thanks for coming, everybody. Lyle Smith, Lily, the Crocodile. Lyle Smith checking out right now. Airtime. Landry in the mix. Lyle Smith, the race leader, 58 of Ty Baker, Landry, and Chambers. Last corner, no racing tomorrow here at SeaTac. Thanks for coming. Going over to Yakima. Check out the state qualifier. Smith, the race leader. Ty Baker, Chambers, and none other than Cameron.